Well, I'm on my way home. I worked enough today, and time to go home and rest a little bit before I go to Mom and Dad's for Thanksgiving. And the main roads are in really good shape. Town did an awesome job in Turner's, and as they usually do. And you can see the road. I don't have it up to see all the pretty trees. Well, maybe at some point I will when I get on the green light will stay green. Oh, turn yellow while we're going through it anyways. Oh. Everything looks like a winter wonderland out here. All the trees, as you can see, are covered. Temperature 34 degrees, above freezing, so everything's gonna melt out pretty good. They're still saying power outages for all around Western Mass because of the weight of the snow on the trees. And hopefully there's not a big pile in front of my driveway when I get home. But the town came through a couple times, but hopefully it's not too bad. Down there. This right here is Route 2 West, part of Gill, heading into Greenfield. Velcro on my dash so it holds the camera. Okay, hope none of these big trees break as I go by. See, there's a lot of snow on the trees. Nice new blacktop road. Hopefully this is the last big wet storm we have, but now I want the cold air to come in, and actually well, once everything's off the trees anyways. I like fluffy snow, I don't like big tree up there. Came down. I had a part of my black cherry tree came down. Hopefully they got it out of the way. Another tree over here. Like driving when there's big pine trees on either side of the road. And some of the power lines, even the other lines, you can see how much snow is stuck to them. You know, it's almost like, you know, there's probably, I'd say some of them are probably a good maybe 6-inch diameter, maybe a 5-inch diameter around or hanging off the top of it. There's a chance of snow, I guess. Today's no showers or whatever. There was blue sky here. Everybody has sticks in their yard. Everybody. Right up here, that's where some trees came down last night. The orange cones are still there. Big tree over there to my right. Usually the trees that break are the ones that are usually like they're double trees. They're split in the middle, or you know, two trunks coming out from the bottom. One's gonna give. Look how pretty it is. big tree right here down. Nice tree. Beautiful. Be nice if they had white lights on them, huh? Oh, good, the driveway. They didn't fold all the snow back in my driveway. Town. My driveway's a mess. Oh, here's the crabapple or black cherry tree. Broke. One of my birches, all my birches are hanging on the, hopefully they'll straighten back out. My birches hanging right over there. Typical for birches to bend real easy, but hopefully they'll straighten back out. If not, they'll have to cut those down, so. Well, that's it. Time to go.